all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have Elsa's Barkbox, and you're going to hear her clip clapping. She's so excited, and actually in a couple of minutes my girls are going to be the ones to help open this box because they're home from school. We're homeschooling right now with the coronavirus and all of that going on, so they offered to help me. But I just wanted to give a quick intro to this box. If you sign up, use my link in the comments, because for the first box, and I'm reading it right off the screen to make sure because things have changed a little bit with all this been going on, so I want to make sure I'm getting the info correct for you. But the first box starts at $22 a box. It depends on the size of your dog. And again, if you use that link right now and sign up, you get your first box on me and Elsa. So feel free to use that link. I'll run across the screen, and I'll be back in a few minutes with my girls opening the box with Elsa. So hang on for that. Well, welcome back. Hi, girlies. Hi. What do you got?
We have Elsa's Barkbox.
Okay, can you open it?
Okay.
Oh, what's the theme?
The Australian OutBark.
Can you show the theme to everybody? Can you show that insert? Hold it up. Up. There we go. So it's the Australian OutBark. Okay. Oh, Elsa's so excited. What's in there, Elsa?
Oi, your dog goes latest adventure takes to the wildest place in the world, Australia. Play with the strangest beast on the planet. Put another shrimp on the barkie, and don't didgeridoo on the carpet. And our hearts are in Australia. Elsa, stop. So we gotta find Elsa. So the first toy that we have is Edna, Echidna. And it says that Crinkle, toy inside toy.
It's a Crinkle toy inside toy.
And behind the squeaks. Oi, if your doggo plays too rowdy with this Echidna, you'll find a surprise down under. A squeaky bonus toy. We think she might have partied too hard. Really?
Up.
Here you go. Go with it. And then our next toy is Topanga Kangaroo. Elsa, can you not?
God, read it. Maybe she'll give you a minute.
Disc squeaker treat holding. I think the treats go in here.
Oh, in like a little pouch?
Yeah.
In the kangaroo
Behind
pouch?
the squeaks. Oi, this woo's got a booming disc squeaker and the crinkle to drive your dog wild. Tuck some grub in her pouch to taste a tasty playtime. The next one says cowardly koala. Crinkle, disc squeak toy inside, and attaches to dogs to the collar.
So that's a koala?
Behind the squeaks. Oh, I get it. Toy. Koala collar. You can fasten this koala on your dog's collar. If your doggo plays rough, you'll find a bonus toy down under.
Oh, is there
These are Dinkum, Duckie, Tucker down under dog treats. They're the duck recipe dog treats with carrots.
Oh, they have duck and carrots?
And this
can you hold the bag so I can see that up?
And this is the bark down under dog treats Bonzer, Barbie, Snags, pork recipe dog treats with potatoes and bacon.
So that one is what? Pork and
And with potatoes and bacon.
Can you hold it up for me? Can I see it?
And the last one is Plato pet treats. Thinker's salmon recipe. Plato pet treats.
Is that sound? Can you tell me if what?
It's Plato pet treats. Thinker's salmon recipe.
Oh, okay. So she got like it's like a beef jerky, but it's salmon flavored. And that's her box for the month?
Give you that. Yes.
Yes. Well, thank you, girls and Elsa, for all your help.
Oh, wait. Also, so this is...
What can that do? Oh, does that show all the toys? Here, let
that
me...
you can get.
And what did she get on that card? Do you know?
She got Topanga kangaroo.
Can you show me like...
Echidna and Crowley koala. But you can also get Sheila sugared glitter, Craggy crocodile, Yabo wombat, Laza lizard, Shibu emu, Kiki kuwaba, Durango platypus, and Tasmanian Neville.
Oh my goodness. Hold it down a little so we can see all on the camera. Oh. Nice.
Koala us anytime. Bark is devoted to giving your dog the best possible experience.
Do you think she's happy? Oh, I see Lily. What are we doing?
It also says reach out to
collar.
our happy team and we'll gladly tailor your future boxes to make sure you get the toys, treats, and chews that make your dog the happiest. I think she's already the happiest.
Elsa. All right. Thank you, girls.
Wait, and then there's your doggo's merit badges.
Oh, there are merit badges on there?
Yes. A doggo needs many skills to master the Royal Australian OutBark. Take a hashtag Barkbox Day picture of your pup with the badges that best match their personality. Maybe the doggo ate your boot. For really naughty chewers, but doggone they're just too cute. For finding an oasis in the OutBark, backwards toilet drinker. Snug as a baby woo, for cuddling better than anyone. For retrieving like a pro. Bark and boomerang. That's not a yard, this is a yard. For doggos who love the outdoors. For expert critter catching. Croc hunter. Cricky, what a howl. For doggos who sing awooey. Take a shrimp off the Barbie. For elite snack stealing. Good dog mate. For being the best dang doggo in the world.
Very nice.
Mommy, can I put a treat in the camera now?
Sure. God, you want to show how that works before we sign off?
Yeah, we should probably. Koala. It's not a koala, it's a kangaroo. Try and get it out. Crazy. It makes them go
Okay,
crazy.
girls.
Bye, and I hope you like this book box with Elsa.